Hello friends, I remember in 2003 when I came to job search in Pune, I have applied for multiple places but nobody entertained me only because I did not have real-time project experience. So remember in the job market, like me, there are many pupils. So therefore, the employer wants somebody who have some sort of real-time project experience. So in my story, when I applied multiple places, nobody entertaining me, then I started connecting with some of the engineer training institute, and they started giving some real-time projects. And subsequently, after 6 months or 1 year, when I got real-time projects, I started showing those projects, and my resume started getting more and more number of times shortlisted, and eventually I got the jobs. So getting real-time experience is very important to get the job, irrespective of which field you belongs. That is my experience, and I am very sure you will agree with me. Uh, Today, I'll share about how we can get the real-time project experience so that your job search process become more and more easy. Number one, you leverage the internshala, right? You join with the internship kind of program, because internship experience will definitely give you a real time exposure how project execution happens in industry. It will not only give you the opportunity to get the exposure of the technology, tools, process, or business domains in the real time scenario, or the challenges that you might face in solving those problems will be far easier than far difficult than what you have studied in your academics. So internshala programs, 3 months, 6 months, even after the final year of your graduations or after the post completion of your graduations, you must do that internship program, which will give you the real time experience, and that real time experience will definitely lead you to get the job. That is number one. So second avenue is will be freelance, right? There are a lot of freelancing platform now, because after COVID, a lot of people who started working from homes. So freelancing platforms like Upwork, which I also engage, right, earlier. So freelancing has a huge opportunity, uh, because the startup companies or organizations who wanted to get the projects done, they may not afford to go approach the big companies. So people like you and me, who are individual persons who will not charge much, but we want to get exposure in terms of technology, real time business challenges, and many more, right? Therefore, it is win-to-win situation for both of us, both from employer perspective, from our perspective as well. As they want people who are able to do the work but at the reasonable cost, and for us, we need to get the exposure of technology, tools, process, because in organizations you may not get the real time project, get the cutting edge technology sometimes, right? So if you involve into freelance kind of work, that will definitely give you the good exposure of your technology, tools, process, business domains, along with the money. So that will give you the real time experience, and that real time experience will again lead you to get your dream jobs. So number one, internship programs, which is very important. I remember when we started a company in 2017-18, we hired a girl from interns as a part of internships, and after working with us 6 months, she is successful employee today in one of the renowned multinationals as a DevOps person. So if she can do, you can definitely do, right? So internship program, you must leverage that. Second thing is, as I said, freelancing is huge opportunity. If you are really passionate about, they will give you more and more work if you are able to deliver. So that work will definitely count as a real time experience when you start applying for the jobs. That is second point. uh, One is, of course, what I said. Another is internship program. Another is freelancing. Third one is voluntary. In New Zealand, I'm sure in Australia as well, in any resumes, if you don't put the voluntary sections, probably it will not considered nice, resume. So voluntary not only experience not only give you a kind of dignity and respect for in your profile, it also give you lot of experience, because during voluntary work, in any field. You not only connect with the industry persons, it also give you the exposure of the tools, technology, and the business domain, right? So therefore, the voluntary is very important. Voluntary not only make your profile overall little next level, but also give you the real time experience and ability to solve the real time challenges. You may not get the money in the in this voluntary experience, but overall exposure and the confidence that you will get, and that confidence will lead you to take your dream job again. That is third point, right? What I have covered: one is internship, second one is uh, freelancing, third one is volunteerships, fourth one is hackathon. Today, across India and other part of the world, hackathon is going on in different way, either in college levels or entire district level. That can be some coding challenges, or that can be some of the smallest product to be built, and many more. If you can participate in those challenges, right, you will definitely get an experience, my dear friend, because those person who organize those hackathons will give you the exposure to some of the enterprise level software you may not able to buy or right. And that is one aspect. Second aspect is, during this hackathon events, you also connect with your colleagues and how they have been working and they have been solving their real time problems. That is also another good exposure for you. Of course, hackathon, if you are able to crack, or if you, at least you become a part of the team, then I think nobody can stop you, because that will make your resume to the next level. uh, because you are stand out yourself out of a many crowd, you have win the game. So that demonstrate your ability, nobody can deny that, no employer can deny that. So therefore, hackathon will give you real time project experience, and that will again take you to the dream job that you are looking for. So for this hackathon, last but not least is events, industry events. Industry events, many industry pupils, employers, job seekers, colleagues like you and me, everybody is joined here. So what you that events, people will share their real-time experience, how they have got the job. People will share what are the demand skills in today's market. People will share what are the challenges that they have faced through and they have got the job, and many more, right? And they have guide you what are the industry use cases that can be solved as a real time problems. May not be 100% real time, but at least 80-90% with some of the dummy data. So it is near real time experience if you can do that. So participating in organizing events will definitely give you a real time exposure, and that will again take you to a dream job. So all in all, 5 area that I have covered here to get the real time project experience. Number one is internship, second one is freelancing, third one is volunteering, fourth one is hackathon, and fifth one is events, industry events. If you focus yourself and engage in one or the other in these 5 areas, as per your comfort and as per your interest and as per your ability, I am very sure you will get the real time experience, and that real time experience the employer is looking for. The way you and me are trying to get the jobs, employer is also looking for a people who can get their job done and business moving. So it is just both way requirement, not just requirement from one side. It is just a matter of your ability. How can you contribute to those people who are looking from service from you, and you have to do make yourself in a position to contribute. Definitely you need to get a real-time project experience. Once you have that, nobody can stop you, believe me. So with this note, this is Nirpal Chhatri. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.